An art bridge was yesterday inaugurated at Dikrutpi Waterfall under Korkanchi constituency. Beside the art bridge, octagonal shed and lavatory were also inaugurated yesterday in the presence of EM Rajuti So, EM Lunsing Teron and well-wishers.
Yesterday, taking opportunity during the inaugural ceremony, the village headman along with village youth submitted a memorandum to the attending Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Rajuti So and Lumsing Teron, urging them to take initiative for setting up tourist IB, along with 10-bedded hospital as well, for the betterment of telephonic conversations as cellular service. While in a separate event, an open stage was also jointly inaugurated at Dokmoka Higher Secondary School playground by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Rajuti So and Lumsing Teron.